Are your car parks safe, efficient, and under control? Lighting has a major impact on how people feel and move through these spaces. It shapes safety, visibility, and confidence, but it also affects your energy bills and long-term maintenance costs. Poor lighting creates dark spots, glare, and uncertainty. For drivers and pedestrians, that means higher risk and reduced security. Trojan Lighting designs car park lighting schemes that deliver uniform light levels, minimize shadows, and provide clear visibility for CCTV and navigation. By using precision optics and the right color temperature, we ensure safe, comfortable illumination that makes every space feel secure. Lighting can account for up to 40% of a car park's total electricity use. Upgrading to modern LED systems can reduce that by as much as 70%. At Trojan Lighting, we manufacture and remanufacture luminaires designed to cut waste, extend service life, and lower carbon impact. Car park lighting doesn't need to operate at full output all night. Intelligent controls, including motion sensing, dimming, and time scheduling, adapt lighting to actual use. Through wireless controls, each luminaire can report status, faults, and energy data in real time. That means easier maintenance, automatic fault alerts, and complete visibility across your estate from a single dashboard. From initial survey and design to manufacture, supply, and installation, Trojan Lighting delivers a full turnkey solution for exterior and car park lighting. Every design meets CIBSE and BSEN standards, ensuring safety, performance, and measurable savings. Contact our team to find out how Trojan Lighting can make your car parks safer, more efficient, and easier to manage.